How to add overlay on CapCut video. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now tap on the source bar and type CapCut. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on CapCut and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now tap on new project. Now select your video, add. Now wait for some time for the video to load. Now at the bottom part of your screen, you will find an option for overlay. Simply tap on it. Now click on add overlay. Now select your video. Now tap on add. Now adjust your overlay and click on export. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.